First, open Google and search qrgenerator.org. Click on this website in the search results. Then, from that page, click on the first website that appears. Now click on the link option, because to create a QR code, we first need a link. So open a new tab and search Google Drive. Click on the second website. Then open the file you want to, turn into a QR code, click on the three dots, then click Share, and again click the Share button. Now click on Restricted and choose anyone with the link. Then click Copy Link and hit Done. Go back to the QR code generator website. Paste your file's link into the box provided. As soon as we paste the link into the box, our QR code will be automatically generated. Now let's customize. Click on the Colors option. If you want the background of the QR code to be transparent, just turn the transparent background on. If you want to change the color of the QR code itself, choose the gradient option. You see the QR color is changed. Then click on Design option and click on the design you like. I chose this pattern. You can choose any one you prefer. You can also customize the QR border and the center marker. What's special about this website is that it allows you to add any logo you want inside the QR code. I'm adding a logo to the QR code just to show you. I chose this logo, and as you can see, it has been added. Now click on Remove Background Behind Logo. This makes the background of the logo transparent. You can also increase or decrease the size of the logo as you like. Since I don't need a logo in my QR code, I'll just cancel it. Let's move to the frame option now. I selected this frame here. Then, you can also choose your own font style. I picked this one. And you can change the text too. I replaced this text with scan. Now click on Options. If you want to, make the QR code smaller. I'll set it to 200 just to show you. As you can see, the QR code size has reduced. I'll switch it back to the original size now. Then click on Save and select PNG. Your QR code will be downloaded. I'll record my screen on my phone and show you if it works or not. Oh yeah, it works. That was a static QR code. Static QR code cannot be edited, cannot be tracked, has no expiry, and it's free. If you want to create a first dynamic QR code, you need to click on PDF and then Horror, select the Premium option. If you choose a full-year subscription, you can save money. There's a 30% discount on the basic plan, 31% off on the standard plan, and 30% off on the premium plan. Dynamic QR code can be edited, can be tracked, does expire, and it's not free.